Hello, my friends. How are we on this beautiful Friday looking at the markets? This week is coming to a close. Very close, my friends. We are coming to a close this week. Looking forward to the weekend where we don't have to be staring at the chart 24/7. But you know, we still be doing non-stop our little research and looking into the markets, but no trading happening during the weekend. Dollar General. I'm telling you, this is beautiful, beautiful movement. We have talked about Dollar General several times, only because it seems to be that golden opportunity of 2025. Although, we got to say, our Aussie dollar trade earlier this year was, I mean, as far as execution and trade management, trade execution, and trading plan, it was gorgeous trade. I mean, that Aussie dollar, that is the type of trade that we simply just copy and paste that mentality when it came to that trade over and over again. And, you know, we'll be where we need to be in no time. So Dollar General, we have a lot of scribblies here because we've been going over this to death. So let's go ahead and clean up and erase all of our scribbles here. How about that? Nice and fresh. Oh, and shout out my friend who subscribed yesterday. For the longest time, I would say, 4 to 6 months, we were sitting at 17 subscribers on this channel, which is kind of interesting. 17 subscribers for the longest time. It was just stuck at that number. It was so funny. And I had another subscriber yesterday. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. So we are at a gorgeous 18 subscriptions to this beautiful channel where I just be coming in here and sharing how I, a trader of 4 years now, be looking at the markets day in, day out, talking about mentality and the journey that I'm in, sharing it with the world, so to speak. And according to YouTube regulations, we must say, please like and subscribe, because if we don't say that, then we get punished severely. We get a spanking. Also, I have a newly formed Discord group. Yes, I took that leap forward, that step forward, and decided to get a little bit more professional with my trading journey and everything I have to offer for you, my friends. So come on in. I'll be working on it a lot more this weekend, adding some things into the free section so that people can tend to kind of see the quality of information that I provide in the Discord group, which is night and day from what I do here on YouTube. This is free things I'm talking about, so hence the format that it's in. I generally do it on the phone. Dollar General, we had our high 250, 262. We've talked about it to death. We had that giant pullback down to 70, okay? That made a low of 66. And now, I'm telling you, I kept saying that 70 looks gorgeous. It was 72, I apologize. 72, beautiful discount for Dollar General. Why? It had a nice pullback. You're revisiting a previous consolidation area, okay, over here. So Dollar General was just looking absolutely gorgeous. And our last video, we were talking about mainly this big candle, okay? If you zoom in on this candle, if you zoom in, check this candle out. Look at this candle when you zoom in a little bit on the daily. You see that? It's a gap. It's a blank space. Okay, that means the market opened and instantly it started at a lower price way down there. Okay, so Dollar General, we have this huge red candle off to our left. So obviously, we can expect, well, at some point in time, price is probably going to recover that candle, because in past experience, we've seen many times where you have a giant move down like that, and it gets everybody bearish. Okay, it gets everybody thinking, wow, that's a big move down. Yeah, let's go ahead and start shorting Dollar General because it looks like it's just showing some major weakness. It's going to go down. But when you see a disgusting candle down like that, you have to think the opposite, okay? At some point, the market is going to come and recover that candle. And what have we done up to that point? We have just consolidated, get a little bit lower, okay? People are buying down here, and people are taking long positions, and they're getting stopped out, okay? They're buying, draw down. But those who have conviction and the ability to handle a drawdown most likely will see a return, because it's going, I'm not saying it's going to, but in past experience, I've seen this type of behavior play out several times, okay, where it just makes that nice round trip. And sure enough, the past couple weeks, what have we seen? We're starting to see a move up. So the market's kind of showing its hand right now. It's giving you a hint. Price does not lie. The news can lie. The internet can lie. People can lie. People will lie. The price of anything does not lie because it's there in front of you. Okay? It's right there in front of you. $85.83. That's the price per share of Dollar General. So now that the price is showing us that it wants to make a move up, and since we have been purchasing this consolidation because we know Dollar General is at a decent value, our plan simply now is just to hold it. Now, are we looking to hold it until, it makes a new all-time high above 260? No. You can do what you want. Personally, all I'm looking for on this particular idea is to see happen what I've seen happen in the past, where it recovers this big move candle down that everybody thought was so bearish. And it just comes up here. When it gets up to this point, I don't care what it does after that. I don't care if it goes up. I don't care if it goes down. I'm simply looking for it to recover that disgusting move down that took a lot of people by surprise. Hence why I have an alert set right here at 119. So that is generally my game plan right now on Dollar General, but it is looking beautiful. It has been making some gorgeous moves up over the past few weeks, just pushing its way out of that bottom range consolidation area. Can it go down further? Of course it can. Price can do whatever it wants to do at any given moment. But provided price does not break below that 66, I'm of the belief that it can continue to recover that candle at 119, 120, which is where I personally will be exiting the position. Oh, so you buy something for an average of $75 and it goes up to 119 and you're still going to hold it? That's what gets so many people losing in the markets, is they hold things forever. If you're up in the money, exit. If it starts going against you and you don't like the way it's looking, get out. You can get back in if you get out. But if you hold it forever and you lose too much of a percentage, you don't have as much to get back in with, if that makes sense. So Dollar General is absolutely looking beautiful. I wanted to cover gold slightly, okay, just because it has been absolutely gorgeous, okay. Here's what I see on gold. Gold, simple for me. All it's doing now is, over the past 2 months, it's just continually punishing people that are trying to catch the top. Okay? I don't want to see anything on gold for a sell until we break down, come up a little bit, and break down again. When it makes that maneuver, I'm of the belief that we're going to start a downtrend. So then I would start entering my sell positions just above to let it retest a downward trend line. You're on an uptrend. Why are you shorting an uptrend? If you are shorting gold right now, why are you shorting an uptrend? Let the market prove to you or show you that it's on a downtrend. Then you start looking to take a sell on gold. Okay? So that's just kind of how I'm viewing gold at the moment. Dollar General, absolutely gorgeous. And see, market open today, 30.8670, another high. It's going to keep punishing you every time you try to short. Let it convince you that it's on a downtrend. Oh, it make a high here, it took people's money there. Okay? Make a big green candle here, it took your money there. Make a high over here, 30.85, it just took your money within this past hour of me making this video at 30.86. Stop trying to short gold. You might catch the top on a bigger move, but how many times are you going to keep getting stopped out? How much drawdown are you going to handle to catch the top? I don't care about the top or the bottom. I'm just looking to ride the wave, so to speak. So I want to see the wave show me it's coming down. Then I want it to come up. Then I start entering here on a sell, of the belief that the 30.86 will hold. If it doesn't, okay. But at least I'm letting the market prove to me that it's rejecting from an area. Reject. Bang its head on the ceiling. Bang its head on the ceiling. I used to say that a lot in some of my older videos. If I'm looking to sell something, I want to see the market bang its head on the ceiling. Where's my ceiling right now? There's my ceiling right now. Simply put, I want to see the market bang its head against the ceiling. I want to see it fall through the roof into the house and bam, bang its head against the ceiling and start coming down. When I see that, I'm selling that, of the belief that it will take the liquidity here. That's how I'm playing gold at the moment. Very simple. It's just, I'm not trying to catch the top up here. I'll take the second leg. because with the second leg, I have a few more confluences and cards shown to me of what the market's trying to do. Okay, so that's just kind of how I view gold. Dollar General, absolutely thing of beauty right now. And I'll make this video quick today. It's Friday, not the best trading day. Gonna get back into it hard next week. Going to be working on the Discord a lot this weekend. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, my friend, new subscriber yesterday. Much love, shout out to you. And join the Discord group. Nothing but fellow investors and traders in there looking to get our edge in the markets and make our aspirations come to fruition on a daily basis. A lot of good information that I put out in there. I'm telling you, at the very least, you could join for a month. I will save you thousands in 1 month from wasting money on courses that cost $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, okay, that are just copy and pasting information that I can just give to you, okay? So, peace and love. We will see everybody on the next video.